Welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share how to draw sequence diagram using drawing tool draw.io. This is a free drawing tool. I have already shared two videos of this drawing tool. One on ER diagram, how to draw ER diagram, and second, how to draw use case diagram using drawing tool. Shall give link in the description box. Watch this video to know how to draw ER diagram and sequence diagram in minutes. Let's begin with sequence diagram. How to draw sequence diagram within minutes. Type draw.io. Click on File, click New option, type diagram name, select File type, select .png extension. As you can see, it is divided into two. Towards the left side, left panel, here different options are available with different templates. First is basic. Here are different templates. This is blank diagram. You can draw from scratch using blank diagram option. Some templates of class diagram, flowchart, ER and others are available. Here different options are available. You can choose this option to draw diagram. You can choose any diagram as per requirement and make few changes, and your diagram will be ready into minutes. You can see this big diagrams. You can select any one of these, make few changes, and the diagram will be ready. Click on basic. In this video, let's see sequence diagram. As you can see, some templates are available. You can choose these templates, or you can also draw from scratch using blank diagram option. In my previous two videos, I used blank diagram and drew from scratch. In this video, I will use template of sequence diagram. Click on sequence diagram and click create. These ready-made templates help to make diagram quickly. Towards the left panel, different shapes are available: general, advanced, basic, flowchart, ER. Click on UML. Scroll down. Different shapes required in sequence diagram are ready-madely available. For example, frame, destruction, found message, self-call, callback, activation, found message 1, message 2, then message written, and such others. Let's get started and draw a diagram. As you can see, I am using ready-made template. Only few changes are required. If you draw from scratch, you need to pick all these shapes. Now double click to type text. Next one, double click on dispatch. From this template, you can remove unwanted activation, that is shape, message and others. For example, I want to delete this. Select and delete. Add activation shape. Select and increase the lifeline. Add and adjust as per requirement. Select the whole image. Increase lifeline. Next, copy paste message. Click on written. Now let's add text. Double click to add text. In this way, you can double click and add text to all. This is a sequence diagram. In this way, you can draw any type of diagram and use available shapes from UML. You can save this. Click here to save. Click device. Select device. Type your name. Type file name. Select editable bitmap image. Click on save option. As you can see, image will be saved. Here I have saved on desktop. In this way, you can open the image, copy it, paste anywhere you want. I hope you learned from this video. Like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.